Now, boys, the first time ever in my time, this particular animal is one of the most unique animals you'll ever see, that you'll ever witness. Guys, you can't be in the video.
What is it attacked?
Okay? For privacy reasons, because this animal is not supposed to really be seen except by seniors. But I like you guys. And I'm gonna allow you to see this animal. All right, Junie, you gotta sit down, man. You gotta come over here. Over here. Come sit over here. Because you're gonna miss the whole thing. All right. I'm going in, boys. I'm going in. All right, just relax. Take a deep breath. Shaji, 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, here we go. I have to take it 1 click to the right. Okay, it has to hit there. And then click this to the left. And then this one here to the right. Okay.
It's a turtle. It's not going to be like a robot attacking. Don't touch it.
Whoa!
Shaji,
No.
Junie.
You gotta just don't freak it out. You're talking. I think that's the vibration. You can feel vibration.
It's a turtle.
Junie.
All right. I know I can handle this. I did it before. Once actually. This will be twice. The last time it wasn't that good. All right. Listen, you guys are all here. If it comes jumping out, just grab it. No, I would never do that. Sit. You gotta sit on your bottom. 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 Adam, sit on your bottom. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness. Just grab that one over there. Wait. Who put that? Who put that there? Because the other animal is still in there. Oh my god. Alright. Enough of that. Okay, because the other thing is still in there.
Huh.
Whoa! Oh my goodness! I don't believe it!
Another snake!
Jackson, where's the animal?
It's another one of your one.
Oh wow, would you look at the time? I gotta go bring the hay up. Gotta go.
It's Haji!
Oh my goodness. I think Jackson did it again.
I've got 4
He,
fingers. It was Haji!
He tricked us.
It was Haji.
He tricked us.
What was the Haji in it?
I don't know what it was.
Haji!
Was it Haji? You know, I can't
Why
believe
putting
it.
back the fake snake
I
inside
just
there?
got swindled out of that. Alright, now boys, we're going to set it up for the race. Go outside. We're going to wash our hands.
That we're gonna
And we're going to watch that race.
It was Haji.
Man, where's the animal, Prince? Yeah.